Spire is the world's only wearable that tracks breathing patterns and physical activity to help reduce stress and increase productivity. Spire's app also guides you through short, simple breathing exercises that contribute to a happier, healthier life. Simply clip the tiny Spire stone to your belt or bra, and it will sense respiratory patterns and changes in your state of mind. Spire gently notifies you with insights delivered to your iOS or Android device for a mindful, balanced, and productive day. Spire is proven to decrease stress and is backed by research from Stanford's Calming Technology Lab and is recommended by doctors and mental health professionals worldwide.
Saddle Baby replaces the traditional method of needing to hold your child's ankles with a much safer and practical system that uses high-quality materials, industrial Velcro, and adjustable buckles to secure your child. Saddle Baby allows you for the first time to safely free your hands to do more. Your little one will love it. Saddle Baby consists of an adjustable belt worn high up on your chest with incorporated ankle cuffs to secure your child's leg. Additionally, the original model includes an optional detachable and ergonomic foam saddle that provides substantial comfort for you and your child. To start, adjust the width of the belt with the back webbing to fit your chest size. Put the belt high up on your chest with the ankle cuffs facing up. Attach the saddle to the belt if you're using it. Otherwise, sit your child on your shoulder as you normally would. Secure each leg with the ankle cuffs and you are ready to go. You can now use the center buckle to fine-tune width if needed.
Saddle Baby is the perfect solution for active and involved parents looking for fun, practical, easy to use, and exciting ways to spend quality time with their children outdoors. Saddle Baby. Anytime, anywhere, and everywhere.
The easy-to-use control panel activates 120 soothing air bubbles for a refreshing massage. The heating system adjusts to fit your personal temperature preference, up to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Pure Spa is built with puncture-resistant 3-ply laminated material, which is enhanced with lightweight, high-strength fibers for amazing durability and comfort. Introducing innovative patented FiberTech construction, designed to offer superior structural stability while maintaining a comfortable surface for a luxurious and refreshing spa experience, unlike conventional inflatable spas. Pure Spa comes with an advanced electronic hard water treatment system. Hard water causes buildups in the heater coils, pipes, and filter pumps, which significantly reduces heating and filtration capabilities. By treating the hard water, you can increase efficiency and lifespan of your Pure Spa. Additionally, softer water is gentler on your skin and swimwear, making your spa experience more enjoyable.
Hi, welcome to Power Up 3, the world's first smartphone-controlled paper airplane. To fly Power Up like a professional pilot, you'll need some guidance and initial setup instructions. With enough patience, you will soon turn your paper airplane into a lean flying machine. Before you start flying, choose the right location and the right day. Found them? Now you can start unboxing. Carefully unlatch the rotating tabs that are fixed to the plastic base. After unboxing, keep all the materials together using the Power Up packaging as storage and a carrying case. Inside the box, you'll find a smart module, a micro USB cable for charging the smart module, extra propeller and rudder, the Power Up 3 user guide, 4 paper templates for easy flying, and 1 special waterproof template. Ready to move on? Let's move on to the next tutorial.